This is Pioneer's MXT-S3266BT car audio upgrade package. It's designed to replace the in-dash factory radio and factory speakers for many cars and trucks on the road today. Included in the MXT-S3266BT package is one Pioneer AM/FM and Bluetooth in-dash digital media receiver for hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio with a built-in amplifier, and 4 Pioneer 6.5-inch speakers. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, we're gonna pop this open. You can see it's a big box with all the components inside. The first thing we see here is the in-dash receiver, and we'll open this up and take a careful look at it in just a moment. And we have the 4 speakers here. Let's pull this up out. There we go, there are the 4 speakers. All right, now let's take a look at what's in the in-dash receiver box here. We'll pop that open. And the first thing we get inside here is the wire harness. Now we'll use the wire harness to make all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to your vehicle. That would be power and ground and speakers, all of that type of connection. Also in here we have some mounting hardware and some one-DIN radio removal tools. So you can use those to mount and remove them from the installation can. And we have the Bluetooth microphone. So the Bluetooth microphone here comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so, and this is typically installed up in the headliner or near the sun visor in your vehicle. So it brings the microphone right up near your mouth so the remote caller can hear you very clearly when you're on a Bluetooth phone call. And we have some documentation here. It's the warranty card, and we have the quick start guide for the in-dash receiver. And please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual for this product right onto your cell phone from pioneerelectronics.com. And finally, we have the installation manual for the 4 speakers included with the package. And let's pull the receiver up out here. There we go. There's the receiver. The included in-dash receiver is a Pioneer MVHS-320BT. That means it has an AM/FM tuner, a USB port, 3.5mm auxiliary port, and built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio, and a built-in amplifier. The receiver also has an adjustable 13-band EQ and a bass control right on the front panel. Now please note, this receiver does not play CDs. As you can see, since there's no CD player, the chassis can be made very shallow. A shallow chassis like this can lead to lots of interesting installation options in many different vehicles. Cars and trucks are just the beginning. On the back panel of the MVHS-320BT, we'll start off with the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle, and that'll plug in right here. Next is the wire harness for powering the in-dash receiver. The Pioneer MVHS-320BT has a built-in amplifier with 50 watts x 4 built-in power. It's designed to operate up to 4 speakers in your vehicle, and it works great with the 4 speakers included with the package. On the other side, we'll start off with 2 blackjacks here. The one on top is where you'll plug in the Bluetooth microphone. The Bluetooth microphone is used for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls and is included with the receiver. And the one on the bottom, operating the receiver with your steering wheel controls with the use of an optional third-party steering wheel control adapter. And finally, here are 2 pairs of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front and rear outputs, or as a front and a subwoofer output with full subwoofer control. And these are 2-volt RCA outputs. Now let's take a quick look at these speakers, and we'll pop this open here. There we go. Top comes off, and you can see that we have 4 speakers in the package there, 4 6.5-inch speakers ready to be installed in your vehicle. And we have inside here, we have the wiring connections for each of the speakers. Oh, there we go, wiring connections for each of the speakers. And we have some mounting hardware for each of the speakers as well. Screws and clips to mount in doors and rear decks, wherever you need to put these particular speakers. All right, 4 6.5-inch speakers ready to go. All 4 of the speakers are the same Pioneer TS165P 6.5-inch round speaker. This is one of the most common sizes of speakers found in cars and trucks on the road today. This size and shape of speaker is commonly found in front doors and rear doors and in rear decks of many different vehicles. These are coaxial two-way speakers. That means they have a tweeter for high frequencies and a woofer for the bass on each speaker. The speaker's woofer cone is made of water-resistant, injection-molded polypropylene. The tweeters are 1 3/16 inch diameter. The frequency response of the speakers is from 31 Hz to 16,000 Hz. Maximum music power handling is 200 watts, and these speakers are designed to work great with the packaged in-dash receiver and its built-in amplifier. And that is Pioneer's MXT-S3266BT car stereo upgrade package. And what's in the box?